How to fix Gcash app account is on hold. The first thing to be reminded of is you won't be able to fix this problem using your mobile device. But yet you can still use your mobile device if you will pull up your preferred browser on your phone. Now, right now I'm using my laptop because I cannot fix this issue using my phone. So let's just pull up our preferred web browser. I'm going to be using my Google Chrome to fix this issue. So on your search bar, just simply type in Gcash Help Center. Now you can also do the same process if you will be using your mobile device. Now just simply press on the first result. Now we will be routed to the Gcash Help Center website, and then from here all you have to do is you can go ahead chat with Gigi. Now there will be a chat box that will pop out. Now all you have to do is just simply type in I want to report an issue. Now you'll just have to play along with Gigi until you will be routed to submitting a ticket. Now once you will be redirected to submit the ticket, let's just type it in. Submit a ticket. Now just press on submit a ticket. Now there will be another window that will pop out. Now from here all I have to do is to fill out necessary information like your email address that is associated with your Gcash account, your Gcash registered full name, your phone number, your concern category, and you have to be specific on the description box right here. Now, if you have any screenshot, you can go ahead and press on upload a photo or attachment that can help us assist you with your concern to upload your screenshot. Now, once you have complied all of these, other option that you can do if you're really not comfortable with chatting and waiting for a support to reply to you, you can go ahead and press on contact us. Now, this is important that you visit this website because these are the numbers or these are the updated numbers, the toll free numbers that you can go ahead and coordinate or contact with a live customer chat or a live customer support with Gcash. You can use these numbers to connect to them. And then if you already submitted a ticket, you'll just have to wait for turnaround time that the support will be given to you so that your problem will be fixed. So that's the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Gcash app account is on hold.